back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another healthcare data entry work from home job lead for you. We are going to dive all in. Just know the links to this page, if you're interested in putting that application in, is in the YouTube description box below this video. But the healthcare company, American Specialty Health, they are looking for an examiner one. This is called a data entry examiner. They are paying $14 an hour and hiring remote throughout the United States only. Now, one thing to quickly note, it does say that your training will also be remote, and that the company will be providing the technology, the computer equipment that you need to do the job, but you do have to have your own reliable high-speed internet connection. But they are looking for somebody to enter data from MNR forms or CQE worksheets. So you have to maintain a level of productivity of 20 forms per hour and a good quality of 98% or more. But you'll basically be reviewing these forms to ensure that all information is there and complete. You'll verify the member eligibility and create the patient records in the system. You'll be checking the patient and provider information on the forms against the information in the eligibility tape in the system to verify that everything is correct. You'll retrieve patient files from history as needed. You'll just be inputting all required data from the worksheets into the integrated healthcare system. You'll process the worksheets in accordance with the guidelines, and then you'll forward the worksheets to the administrative support staff for final processing. If that sounds like something you're interested in, they do not require any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma and 2 years of some kind of data entry experience. They're really looking for somebody who can do at least 10,000 keystrokes per hour minimum. Above that, they want somebody who can multitask and have great listening skills. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.